back to another episode. Today we're actually at Urbxn Canvxs. They're having a BIMMERWELT. Got William. How's it going? We got here at a good time. Great amount of support from a lot of the aftermarket companies. So got ground control. They're setting up right now. As you guys can see, we got Dinman. You got the Urbxn Canvxs tent right there. Striker Performance, BMW Performance School. Hello. We got Sam. We got Logan. So let's go ahead and let's see what we can do out here. It's an amazing turnout over here. You got a great amount of cars turning up for the event. Everyone's track ready to hit the track. This is a really nice event to see all the M's out here. I think that might be Ivan's over there, so we'll go ahead and we'll get it going. It's just an amazing turnout. Check it out. What's up?
You will not be able to have any passengers in the rear of your vehicle until they reserve our performance driving instructors. Again, as a reminder,
we're all rolling together. Got a little sidetrack. Yo, what's up? Hey, what's up? Yeah, we did. Alright guys, so I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys a little bit of the cars out here. I'll go ahead and get back to the track scene in just a little bit. But it is kind of a little tease not to be able to track the cars. So what better way than to kind of just come out here and check out the rest of them. It's a very nice G80. Guys, this
I always had a thing for Evos. They're really nice cars.
I love my Evo X was awesome, bro. I wish I didn't sell it. Honestly, I wish I just set it up a little bit longer. On. Like, how do I know you have somewhere to be, bro? Like, oh, and it's like we were in an empty parking lot.
Check it out. Mark, is this Mark? Controller. Very nice.
Fucking car for because my car is black and then my girlfriend's little brother wants to do it. He's like 16.
Going on, bro?
I would have just picked me up the car and that was it. No. I'm gonna take it off soon, and then I'm gonna paint the front bumper, hood, trunk, and rear bumper, and paint correction again. I think by like one session, my car overheating already.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, I would love to. And these guys are $2,500 here. I would love
He's leaving it now. Mechanics.
Let's check out this wide body M3 over here. It's insane. Check this thing out. And then we have another one. A wide body E92 M3. Wide body M4. This is a very clean M2 CS over here, guys. It's got ground control camber plates. It's really clean. The color, just everything, the whole presentation of the vehicle, really clean. Graphic gray, and I mean this thing was just going around the lab, just circling everybody, and I mean this thing looks so good, and it sounded even better. I mean, from what I heard, the driver had the massage seats in there, and I mean, I actually asked the owner if I can open the car, and man, this thing is so beautiful. You got the extended leather. It's a nice combination. You got carbon fiber. I mean, this thing is luxury out on the track. That's just gotta be one of the best things about having an M car. I mean, like I said, just you guys can never go wrong with an M. So this is really clean. Thank you to the owner for letting me check it out. This thing is beautiful. So a few months back, like I had mentioned, Ivan and I came to a private event that was put together by Samantha Tan and her team, and honestly it was a really nice event, and we got to meet some great people. One of them was the owner of this M3 and the M2. Honestly, the first time that we met them, they brought the M2 only, and I mean this thing was a beauty just to see out on the track. And today they went ahead and brought the M3 CS as well, so it was very nice to see this car, because I know we talked a lot about it. Unfortunately, he didn't bring this car for that track event, but it's very nice to see it out here today, and honestly, it does not disappoint. It's very, very clean, and it's also been on the track, so that's why the wheels are a bit dirty, but it's nice to see these on the track where they belong. And then we have a beautiful Yas Marina M4 comp with the 666 M wheels, Silverstone interior, very nice. Alright guys, so I pretty much kind of walked around this whole section of cars over here, and obviously we got to give a huge shout out to Urbxn Canvxs for putting a great event. They put something together with all these partnerships that they were able to get in here. A really good event, so really happy to have been able to come out here. Alright guys, so we saw the GT3 out on the track, and obviously we still see some more beautiful cars out here, but right now it's probably about 90 degrees. It's only gonna get a little hotter, so we might just call it good after a few minutes. So might stop by, get some gas over there, and then we might head out. Alright guys, and that's Sam's M4 right there. It was really nice for him to also join us out on this meet. And he also has the M Performance exhaust. Now he has the titanium tips, but you guys can see that M Performance, the V2, this thing's really nice. Alright guys, so that pretty much does it for today's event. Honestly, it was a great event put together by Urbxn Canvxs with the collaborations from Striker and BMW Performance School, F Your Ticket, Motul. Honestly guys, everything was just an amazing turnout. I'm really happy we were able to stop by and join everyone out here. So thank you to everyone, really enjoyed it, had a blast, and we will see you guys next time. I'll give you guys a little bit of the way back, cover a little bit of the trip back.
Alright guys, so just to reiterate, we've got Mike out here talking to all you guys.
Alright guys, so it's the following day. Ivan came down and we actually decided to tear his car apart after a track day. We're gonna go ahead and gut it, so this is gonna be interesting for the next video. Stay tuned.